This year, I want to achieve my dream bikini body. This year, I want to take my career to the next level. This year, I want to start my own business. This year, I want to travel more. Do you find yourself saying the same things every single new year, but somehow life gets in the way and you completely forget about it? And before you know, it's already December and you're making plans for the next upcoming year. First of all, I want to wish you a happy new year and I hope that you have a prosperous year ahead. So how come it becomes like this? Not just with your new year resolutions, but just with general goals that you have in your life. You find yourself wanting to achieve certain things, but you can never seem to get them. Well, let me ask you a question. What are you doing every single day to make sure that you achieve your goal? And that's the thing, until you have defined how you are going to achieve your goals by month, by week, by day, and even to the hour, it is simply just a dream. So the first step in making sure that you achieve all of your goals for this year is to make sure that your goals are SMART. And by SMART, I mean that they are specific, that they are measurable, that they are achievable, they are realistic, and that they have a time period. If your goals are not SMART, then you will get easily distracted, you'll get demotivated, and you will end up not achieving your goals. And the next step, which is probably the most important step when wanting to achieve your goals, is to make sure that you have defined every single little step that you will do that will contribute towards your whole goal in the end. And without these little steps, your goals will just remain a dream. One of our goals for the Marketing Parlor this year is to create daily videos to help you become the best version of yourself by offering advice, guidance, and inspiration. To help you get started, we've included a link to our worksheet where you can print it out, you can put down your goals, and you can be on your way to achieving your goals this year. Discover your potential and make over your life now. If you are a female entrepreneur and you want to take your business to the next level, make sure that you book a free strategy session with one of us where you can find out the steps to get you there. Thank you for watching our video. If you don't want to miss out on any of our daily videos, make sure that you follow us on all of our social media pages where we will be posting every single day. And if you have any queries that you would like to ask, please don't hesitate to contact us. I'll see you tomorrow.